Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up TikTok Live Studio for gaming. Start by opening TikTok Live Studio on your computer. Once the program loads, you will see the main dashboard where you can control your stream setup. First, choose the layout for your stream. If you are playing traditional games on a PC, landscape mode is usually the better option because it matches the game screen. If your goal is to get better visibility inside the TikTok feed, you can switch to portrait mode instead. Next, go to the Sources section. Click on the plus icon. A list will appear. From that list, select Game Capture. After selecting it, choose the specific game you want to stream. Then, click on Add Source. You should now see your game appear on the preview screen. Adjust its size so it fits properly. Now, you can add goals. Click on the plus icon again and select Goals. You can choose between a follower goal or a gifts goal. Enter a short description if you want. You can also select Alert Audio so a sound plays whenever someone follows or sends a gift. Click Add Source and place it where you like on the screen. After that, add alerts. Click the plus icon again and select Alert. Click Add, then adjust the duration and edit the message if needed. You can also attach audio here. Once done, click Add Source and adjust it. If you do not want to build everything manually, you can also use templates. Go to the Scene section and click on the plus icon. Select a template that you like, then click Add. This will automatically place a background, a space for your game capture, an alert, and a goal on your screen. You can drag and resize each element to fit your layout. You can continue adding more sources like a camera if needed. Finally, click on Live Info at the top. Enter a title and fill in the About section if you want. Click Save, then press Go Live. Thanks for watching.